Just want to make this video. I found some amazing stuff and want to share with you. This is how it's called, graffiti remover. And you see, like this one, you need to repaint all the wall, but I'm gonna show you how it's working. So let's say it's a graffiti here, right? So you just spray it. Take regular clothes. It was a dry one before I start working, now it's wet. And you see, all graffiti is gone. So you don't need to repaint the wall. And we're using semi-gloss paint. So when tenant moved out, you don't need to repaint the wall. You're just washing it. Okay? You see how easy? Tell me that this was helpful.